Hello, yes. Today I just behaved a little angry in the meeting. And in the meeting, my manager is also here because the other person said that we should be responsible for this and we should together to push IT to launch the new system to optimize the new plans so that future it will reduce manual work. But I'm wondering how can she say so? Because this requirement is proposed out by them, and finally they tell us that need to I or my team need to be responsible for it to make it smoother and make it much easier. Oh, at that time, I even can feel my voice is trembling. Yes, after I just said that, I said no. This you should be responsible for it because this is mainly your requirement. So I think you need to be the host to cooperate with the IT team to solve it. And rest we can provide help like this. And also because there's one problem that cannot be solved at least till now. Okay, there's no solution here, but they all agree that plan to do it. Then I have also no way. I can only emphasize that okay, this is a problem that currently there's no solution. So I think if you want to make that decision, also need to consider this problem also, right? Because it will increase some other manual workload that is relatively not good. So after the meeting at that time, I feel should I be much tender in the meeting? Because compared with others, I was not mature just like that. Yes, the other person, what she or he has said is very clear and seems reasonable and seems very tender, will not be like me. I just behaved angry. Yes, so I don't know this is proper or not, correct or not. I just think why this just push or just 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 put on our shoulder. That is not our main problems and not our requirement. Besides us, according to current situation, at least in this year, there will be no any optimization about the system. Yes, nothing will be done. So it's really interesting. I think to some extent it's good to behave and instead to behave a little angry, not so angry, and just to insist on our own angles, yes, or perspectives. Good.